don't tell you where the world is today. They tell you where it is somewhere between 1 or 3 months into the future. That's why sometimes when you get press releases or information, the stock price doesn't react or the currency doesn't move because it's already expected.
So similar like with the interest rate decisions.
Actually, that can be a very powerful data point. Like I said, if you're long and it doesn't rally on good news, you probably want to get out. Or if you're short and it doesn't go down on bad news, you probably want to cover it because the market's telling you it's already looking forward.
Because we do see that often. To be fair, we see it quite often, and we see it. We see the reaction of traders quite often as well in terms of being confused because of the lack of fundamentals. A lot of people, they look at Forex Factory, for example, as a website, and they see the prediction was meant to be, let's say, 100,000 jobs, unemployment claims, and yet it comes out essentially worse, so 120,000, let's say, come out, but yet the market doesn't move, and they're like, but it's gone higher than predicted, right? And that's all they're looking at, just that figure, without the actual understanding. I've been there, like I said, without the understanding of actually what this represents.
Well, you've got to, again, this is where you need to, because looking at employment data,